Well, hi, everybody. This is just a brief presentation on the new Modern, Diverse, and Anti-Racist book discussion kits at the Amery Area Public Library. So I'm Heather Wiarda, and I am the Adult Programming Coordinator there. And I purchased the audio-visual materials for adults, but I don't purchase the book materials. But since I have a budget for programming, I get to kind of help pick out some specialty items like book discussion kits. So I run a Books and Brews book club at the library. We meet once a month, and we tend to enjoy reading modern and diverse fiction. And it can be extremely hard to get enough copies for our book club of something that's modern and diverse. You know, the hot new books are usually all checked out, and you can wait months and months and months for them. So some of the books I thought would be great for people that we could put in a kit form, so that with one checkout, you get 10 books and a discussion guide. So this is my hello, how's everyone doing? And I think we already covered that in our opening, which was great. And then, so this is just a little description. The Amery Library saw a need for more book discussion kits that were authored by people of color, that addressed anti-racism, and that featured the issues of modern life in the United States. So our library used to own probably easily upwards of 60 book discussion kits. And you couldn't find any books in there that were newer than 5-10 years. And most of them were even older. And most of them were written by old white men. And it just is not the type of thing our book club is interested in. And I don't think that it's the type of thing that many people are interested in, because they were not circulating. So I thought, I took a chance that perhaps people would be inclined to check out book discussion kits if they were newer, more modern, and more diverse. So about our kits, we're going to start off by introducing 4 new book kits. Each kit will have 10 books, a list of discussion questions, and it comes in a canvas tote bag. These kits are available for a 3-week checkout period, just like any other book, and they're available to all 52 libraries in our system. So the idea is that discussion groups from all over our part of the state could get their hands on them. We should have the kits ready for checkout within a week to 10 days. We're waiting on a few back-ordered books to come in, but they should be ready soon. And our titles, can everybody see all 4 titles, or is the picture screen in the way? We've got The African American and Latinx History of the United States by Paul Ortiz. We've got Dying of Whiteness, How the Politics of Racial Resentment is Killing America's Heartland by Jonathan Metzl. Thought that one might be especially appropriate for our region. We've got The Fire Next Time by Baldwin. I know we've talked a lot about Baldwin. This book has gotten a lot of attention now because it seems like he could have been talking to any of us just yesterday with the topics and the hopes and dreams that he addresses in that. And then A Prayer for Travelers by Ruchika Tomar. And that's a modern book by an author of color, kind of an interesting story, and just thought it would be something that people would enjoy. The main thing is looking for help and ideas for spreading the word. I'm looking for help letting the community know about these kits. We want people to check them out, groups to check them out and use them and let us know what they think. You know, we're only dipping our toe in the water with these modern, diverse, and anti-racist kits until we know, is it something the community actually wants? Since the money I spend on these things is coming from the public, I need to make sure that it's things that the public actually wants and uses. But I'm fine with putting things out there that might challenge the public either. So I would love to hear from anybody if they have ideas of specific community groups, churches, organizations, you know, groups like Amery United. If there's a smaller group that wants to break away and do a smaller book discussion kit, I know we have our anti-racist book club at the same time. So I'm looking for feedback and ideas and information. I've put my work email address at the bottom here. I'm happy to answer any questions anybody has now, but just trying something new and hoping that it will take off, that our community will learn, educate themselves a little bit, and spark some discussion.